Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is December the 1st, 2022. This marks the end of the growing year of 2022, and we're looking at the rest of our yield for the year, specifically for the starfruit trees. Now, this starfruit tree is a little younger, so it has no fruit on it. Same thing with these few starfruit trees. They have absolutely no fruit that I'm aware of. So we're looking, we see nothing. Now if we go over here, these starfruit trees are a little older. And they are loaded with fruit. They're not that big. So considering how many fruit they have, and look how big these things are. Look how large these starfruit are. This is my hand on them. They're huge. Big, beautiful starfruit. There's another one right there. It's a good one. Big ones up there. So yeah, these starfruit are producing now. And going forward, they're probably going to produce a bunch of starfruit. There's a little froggy on that starfruit right there. All those little starfruits right there. I just think this is so cool. When we go to eat the starfruit, we're definitely going to be cutting these ridges off the spine, off of the tips of the star, because they have cyanide or something like that in them. So we don't want to ingest that. We just want to ingest the core of the fruit. But if you look in here, there's tons of them. They're just everywhere. So yeah, excited about that. Oh, bunch more down here too. Look at that. Wow. And there's a few more back here also. There's plenty of surprises from these starfruit trees. So yeah, this has been an amazing experience getting to this point. It's somewhat of a struggle in the beginning because you really do have to nurse these trees along until those roots can reach down to the water table and eventually support themselves. These trees, the starfruit trees, do not like windy locations. They like sun, so to find a situation in your yard space where you have very little wind and plenty of sun is going to be challenging. So you want to take those two variables into consideration when picking a spot for your starfruit. And critters. Okay? Critters, if you have squirrels or rabbits in your yard, the chances of them digging up your sprouts are very strong. So you need to get these guys either into an area where you can nurse them along until they're like kind of tall, like 3 feet plus in height, or when you plant them into the ground, just put protective screening around them, like a little screen teepee or something of that nature, and that will keep the rabbits from chomping them off and keep the squirrels from digging them up. Anyhow, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. And please do stay tuned as we will be keeping you updated on the progress of all of our starfruit trees. Have a great day.